Hi, I'm Jim Harvey. I'm a professor at Landing Marine Labs. I'd like to welcome you to the Vertebrate Ecology Lab, the Dead Things Lab. Yeah. This is a group of people that study turtles, seabirds, and marine mammals. See this button right here? And that says reading, and if you hold the button down and you go like this, it'll beep when it hears a tag. So if you, there, right in there somewhere. So now see if you can find one. So push that button down and just wave it over until you hear a beep.
That one.
Yep, there's another one.
There are other projects involving migrations of a wide variety of animals, everything from terns and sooty shearwaters to larger animals such as the great leatherback turtle.
You know what they're used for? It's a little pit tag. We put them in an animal, and then see this little number right there? That's the number on that tag. That number tells me exactly which tag this is. So if we put it in a certain animal, we can go back and tell it over and over again.
One of the projects that we've been working on for the last several years with the National Marine Fisheries Service is a tagging and monitoring program for leatherback sea turtles that forage on this coast eating jellies.
For the seals, these tags, they last for about 9 to 10 months. So we've been tracking them, and that just recently now, we've been putting implant tags in. So we do surgery, put the tag inside the animal, and we can track those guys for 4 to 5 years. And that way we can look at movements, survival, where the animal's migrating to.
This is Jim Harvey's work, and he will show you how some of these animals have quite a commute, worse than mine, actually.
These animals travel all the way across the Pacific Ocean to get dinner.
Monterey Bay to Southern Ocean south of New Zealand for the sooty shearwaters, or Monterey Bay to beaches in Indonesia for the leatherback turtle.
Most people don't even know that they are out here, but in the fall we'll have probably a few hundred along the coast.
So understanding their habitat utilization, their physiology is something that we're trying to understand.
Fun project. They get really big. We weighed one leatherback sea turtle that was over 600 kilograms. Great big turtles.
What is this?
That is a baby humpback whale. So humpback whales get to about 50 feet in length, and that's a little teeny baby. It was still in its mother. Her mother died, washed up on shore, and we got it out of the mother before it obviously died. Both the calf and the mom both died.
A month old? Aww. That's so sad.
Yep. Everything's got to die. If you live, you die. That's the rule. If you're a rock, you can last forever.
So when a whale washes up, what do you do with it?
Most of the ones around here, well, before Mabari was doing a project looking at the fact that a lot of large whales, when they die and sink to the bottom, attract chemosynthetic bacteria, the decomposing, and you get vent organisms that are attracted to chemosynthetic sort of communities. So you get almost a vent community, deep sea vent community, living on a dead whale because of the bacteria that are associated with it. A lot of the dead whales that we got, we would work them up and then we'd give them Mabari. Mabari would tow them offshore and sink them and then track them over time. Go back to them with their ROV numerous times to see what was happening to them, to see how fast the different types of organisms that were attracted to the whale, how long it took before they found it. That's the dog. He is tagged. Yeah, the radio receiver is right here. Although somebody was changing the frequency there. There it is.